Access the document menu. Rename the file with title and name. Then download the file active version to your PC. You can cut the active version together with its previous versions and paste them into a new folder. Or copy only the document active version and paste it into a new folder. Copy the document link and share it with other collaborators, or use it to create a link into another folder. Delete the document to move it to the folder Recycle bin. You can share the link in public or private mode. And even link the file to a model, document, or chat discussion. You have the same functionality under the View Details section even on multiple selection, with some exceptions.